Coming off a road series win over the Carolina Mudcats, the Pelicans opened a 7-game homestand against the Winston-Salem Dash on Tuesday night. Brad Markey made just his second professional start in his debut in the Carolina League, taking on the Dash. Let's see how he and the Pelicans did.
A number of the Pelicans front office folks faced their fears before and during the game on Tuesday, including the team's new on-field host, Hannah Eads. Of course, her biggest fear, snakes, and she made it out alive, if not a little frightened. If Brad Markey was scared of the Carolina League, he didn't show it on Tuesday. The right-hander worked an efficient 75 pitches in 6 innings of 1-run ball. After the first inning run, that's how you start off the second. He strikes out Nolan early for the first out of the inning. Markey fanned 2 on the night and walked none. Same score, top of 3. Mihal Chesky, after a double in the first, gives another one a ride. Hey, SportsCenter, are you watching? What a catch by Chen in left center field. A stolen home run and a double play. Peter way off of first, maybe the defensive play of the year for the Pelicans, and it keeps the score at 1-0. Let's have another look. No doubt, a sure home run taken away from Mihal Chesky. It would have been the Carolina League All-Star's 7th homer of the year. The Pelicans tied it back up on a bases-loaded walk in the third, but the teams went silent until the 9th. In a tie game, on came Cubs 2015 6th-rounder Dave Berg. One of the most accomplished relievers in college baseball history, got in some hot water, 2 on, 1 out, infield in, got him to ground it. Just underneath the glove of Lockhart, though, it goes into center, and that brings in both runners. The Pelicans failed to rally in the bottom half of the 9th, falling 3-1 in the homestand and series opener. The Dash stay atop the division and are now a game and a half up in the second half standings of the Southern Division. No hits for Chesney Young on Tuesday, but 2 more walks. He's reached safely now in 28 straight ball games. Nice debut for Markey, who in his second professional start took the no decision, but a quality start. That's the team's 3rd straight quality start. Up next, the Pelicans will send Michael Heesh to the mound, who just returned to the roster on Tuesday. He makes his first start since 2013, puts his 5-0 record on the line, where he will oppose Robinson Layer. Now we go out to Hannah to find out what else is happening at the ballpark, and this time she's without a snake.
Thanks, Nathan. Tomorrow night is Wiener Wednesday, presented by Hebrew National. That's right, fans. Buy 1 hot dog, get 1 free. Come out and join us for a fun-filled evening. We'll see you at the ballpark.